Hello, parents. Let's talk about how you can play an active role in supporting your child's coding journey right from the comfort of your home. First thing first, your encouragement matters. Show interest in what your child is learning. Ask them to explain their projects and share their excitement. Your enthusiasm will fuel their passion for coding. Don't be afraid to explore coding with your child, even if you are new to it. Try out simple coding games or tutorials together. Learning side by side not only builds a stronger bond but also makes the journey more enjoyable. Set up a dedicated space for coding, a clutter free desk, or a table with a computer or tablet that really helps. Keep all the coding materials organized and easily accessible. Consistency is key. Set a regular time for coding practice. Having a routine helps your child establish a habit of learning and makes it easier to track progress. Celebrate every achievement, no matter how small. Completing a project, solving a coding challenge, these are milestones to be proud of. Your recognition boosts their confidence. Leverage the online resources provided by First Coding Path. From tutorials to project ideas, these resources make learning together a bridge. Encourage your child to explain their code to you. Ask questions about their projects. This not only reinforces their understanding, but also gives them a chance to showcase their knowledge. Learning coding takes time. Be patient and supportive. Mistakes are part of the learning process. Your reassurance helps your child overcome challenges with a positive attitude. As parents, your involvement is a vital ingredient in your child's coding success. By fostering a supportive environment, exploring coding together, and celebrating their progress, you are paving the way for their future as confident and creative coders. Thank you for being a part of your child's learning journey with First Coding Path. Your support makes all the difference.